Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel. Now we have English version of age calculation. In this session we will learn how to calculate our age according to our date of birth. So let's come to the Excel sheet. Dear viewers, we have already made an Excel sheet for this age calculation. Here in one cell we mentioned date of birth. Suppose we have 11 May 1990 our date of birth. Then in next cell we added current date. Current date or any specific date according to which you want to calculate your age. And in next cell we added formula for years calculation is equal to sign of formula, then dated if is a formula for calculation of years. Then within parentheses C20 mean cell address in which date of birth is mentioned, and after comma D20 mean cell address where specific date or current date is mentioned. Then within quotation Y for years. So we put this formula and we calculated here years, 32 years according to date of birth and specific date. Then in next cell we added same formula with a little bit change. Instead of Y we mentioned YM for months. So 3 months, 32 years. And in next cell we added same formula, but for days instead of Y, MD we used within double quotation for days. So 7 days. 7 days, 3 months and 32 years. If you want to calculate according to specific date, then suppose we have 2 November 1990 our date of birth and 1st January 2023 is a specific date up to which we want to calculate. So same formula for years 32 years, and for month 1 month, and days 30 days. So in this way we calculate our age. For elaboration of formula, here we mentioned dated if, then within parentheses C10 means cell address of date of birth, comma D10 means cell address of specific date. Then within double quotation Y for years. But remember, in the beginning sign of is equal to must for formula. Similarly, we use the same formula for months with a little bit change. Instead of Y, within quotation we use YM. Similarly, for days, a little bit change. Instead of Y, it will be MD for days. These are the formulas for date calculation, days, months and years. If you want to calculate in all the things, years, months and days with one formula in single cell, then like this you can calculate. This is our formula, you can copy from here and paste anywhere you want to calculate. This is 32 years, 3 months and 7 days. So I hope you learned how to calculate our age. Okay, take care. Thank you very much, and share this video, like this video, subscribe your channel.